to What's Beth Doing? Well, tonight I'm going to make twice baked sweet potatoes with my hickory syrup from Sutton Mill Creek Syrup Company. So stay tuned, we're going to get cracking on that. But first, make sure you like, tag, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Thank you, and let's get going. Well, the first step in our twice baked sweet potatoes is to just prepare your potatoes. So I've already washed them, stabbed them with a knife. You can bake them in the oven for about an hour or so till they're done, or I'm going to microwave mine just because I need them done quicker tonight. So first thing to do is cook your potatoes. Okay, while our potatoes are cooking, I'm going to get together the second part of the mixture, and you're going to take 4 ounces of cream cheese, the brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of softened butter, your 4 ounces of hickory syrup, and then I am going to use a pumpkin pie spice, about a half a teaspoon. You can use cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger, and then we're going to use some salt and pepper to taste. Pepper. Salt, and we're going to mix that together, and when the potatoes come out, we're going to mix that in with the potatoes. So we're just going to get this ready while the potatoes are cooking. The next thing we're going to do is very carefully open up our potatoes. Ooh, very carefully, they're hot. This one's going to be an odd one. And we're going to scoop out all the pulp and put it into another bowl and mix that all up in there, and then we're going to combine it with our other mixture. Okay, so I have scooped all my potatoes out. Now I only made 3 sweet potatoes. I'm going to save half my mixture for tomorrow night because not everybody in our family eats sweet potatoes. So I've got my sweet potatoes all out. And be real careful with your shells. Remember, these are twice baked, so we're going to mix all this up, stick the mixture back in the potato skins, and pop them in the oven for 15 minutes. So let's get this mixed up. Alright, took half my cream cheese mixture out. I'm going to put my potatoes in. Mix them up. Incorporate that mixture really well. Alright, now we're going to stuff our potatoes so we can plop them back in the oven. Oh, that was one of the potato skins that got tore up. It's all right, still usable. Our twice baked potatoes are ready to go back in the oven and bake for 15 minutes. So what would go better with some sweet potatoes and cornbread and corn on the cob than some pieces of ham. I'm going to drizzle the last of the hickory syrup on my ham. It's fully cooked, so I'm just going to heat it up and dinner's going to be done. So our twice baked sweet potatoes are out of the oven. Wow, that's really good. Y'all need to try this. Find the recipe at www.suttonmillcreek.com under sides. Thanks for watching. Well, folks, thanks for joining me today at What's Beth Doing. We had a great time, and don't forget to check out our sponsor, Sutton Mill Creek Syrup Company. They make a line of hickory syrup, sweet and smoky, go great on your breakfast foods, pancakes, waffles, sausage, or make a good meat and salmon glaze. There's recipes on the website, so go to www.suttonmillcreek.com and check them out. And don't forget to subscribe.